If we think about your customers, in which way do you think the Saga Book 18 will change their life?
It will change your life in making a decision of there's different type of customers, different type of applications. But I think in general, if you look at the whole lighting industry market in North America, it helps the customers to take decision on making a step forward into connected lighting, and mostly, as I mentioned before, IoT, which is beyond lighting, in acquiring, making the LED upgrade of their city assets, so road and street parking lot fixtures, including a receptacle that will allow them in the future to come back to their assets and either add a sensor device or a new controller, or maybe upgrade the control they bought with the equipment. So in other words, when their customers, if I look at the public type of customers, when they make a commitment on upgrading their actual fixtures to LED fixtures, they have the opportunity to make it future-proof, if you will, or future-ready. And having this receptacle on it, it really helped them make the decision on, okay, I might not totally be ready today, and probably don't know what I need tomorrow in 5, 10, 15 years, perhaps 20 years. But with that receptacle at the bottom, and the fact that it is backed by standards and also partners that have devices that are compatible, which is growing up right now. We're getting more and more partners. It helps them to plan the future and have assets that will be ready for those devices that will be coming in, and it helping from a lighting standpoint as well, but for sure, but as well from a beyond lighting. So other industries like air quality sensors, vibration sensors, all these type of sensors that provide more data to their fixtures and to our fixtures and to their back end, if you will, whatever system they'll be using. So that decision, it's making an easier way by the fact that we provide that open platform through a receptacle as Saga Book 18. So I think from a public standpoint, it helps them to use and leverage a platform, the upgrades. It's a easier commitment when you have an open interface, if you will, versus acquiring a sensor that is hard locked into the device, which is a luminaire, and they've been stuck with it, right? So they can't upgrade really easily in the future. So it has the controller, the big NEMA twist lock, that can be replaced, maintained, and changed. Same thing for a sensor interface. They can add a sensor today, tomorrow, and change it in the future. So, we can tell the same for commercial private customers. I think it's also, as soon as we get more sensors, devices on that platform, the same thing, right? They could be able to update their parking lots in an easier way in the future.